Mighty winds are rising up against me, blows that try to make me fall. But in you my soul remains unshaken. I'm still standing through it all. It's not that pain will never come my way, but in you I find the strength to stay. I feel the striking, but I don't break. In your love my shelter stays. Through you I can, and I've seen it's true. You hold me up in all I do. It's no promise of an easy journey, but of grace to carry on. Storms may rise, yes, I know surely, but with your hand I'll walk through strong. It's not that pain will never come my way, but in you I find the strength to stay. I feel the strike, yeah, I don't break. In your love my shelter stays. Through you I can, I've seen it's true. You hold me up in all I do. I don't live by phrases unproved. It's in you that I can move. If you reign in all within, nothing shakes the ground.